Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use iPhone as game controller for PC. Using your iPhone as a controller is a great way to enjoy convenience anytime, anywhere. And here's a clean, step-by-step guide on how to use your iPhone as a game controller for PC using remote gamepad. On your PC, open a web browser and go to the remote gamepad website. Download and install the Remote Gamepad PC server for Windows. After installation, launch the Remote Gamepad server on your PC. Make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi Fi network. And on your iPhone, open the App Store, search for Remote Gamepad, and install the app. Open the Remote Gamepad app on your iPhone by tapping Open. Allow network access when prompted. Tap Connect to connect. Then hit the scan code. Capture the QR code that was on the screen of your PC. Then choose your controller layout. For example, gamepad, joystick, steering wheel, etc. Now, open a PC game that supports controllers. Start playing. Your iPhone now functions as a wireless PC game controller. Tips for better gameplay: use a stable Wi Fi connection to avoid input lag. Keep the remote gamepad server running while gaming. Customize button layouts inside the app for comfort. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.